This episode was made in partnership with the Q Studios, where content comes to life. The Q Studios is a creative production space built for creators, brands, entrepreneurs, and teams who want high-quality content without the hassle. From podcasts and photo shoots to events and full-scale productions, they provide the space, equipment, and support to make every project seamless. Ready to create? Book a session and experience the Q Studios for yourself. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we're doing a live show of Pusuan or Laruan! Woo!
Ikaw na yata napupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuloyan. Ikaw ang napupusuan. Darat ikaw na yata napupusuan. Di akalain magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang napupusuan.
As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. Woo-woo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo di mo siya masyadong type or di kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right! And how about our audience? Are you ready? Okay! Without further ado, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello, you look familiar.
Hello.
Did you join our show before?
Yeah, this is my second time.
Welcome back, Laika.
Thank you.
Okay, so we already know your name. So how old are you and anong job mo?
I am 32 and I work at marketing.
Okay, so outside of work, what do you like to do for fun?
I'm kind of a nerd, so I'm a cosplayer and I also do D&D.
Okay, anong favorite character mo i-cosplay?
For now, it's Mary Jade from Star Wars.
Okay. Anong hanap sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality mo na?
Ideal partner, beyond the physical, gusto ko yung man of character.
Okay. Eh, sa physical, if we're gonna go there.
Yung mas matangkad sa akin.
Okay, yun lang naman.
I think so.
Okay. We'll find out later. Deal breakers mo naman?
Deal breakers ko is performative. I was dating this guy and I thought, ang galing niya mabasa ako kung ano talaga yung type kong person.
Okay.
So he pretended to be that.
Oh.
Yes.
Tapos may pa-reveal na hindi pala siya yung...
Yes, ang galing. And side graduate pa naman ako.
Oh.
So, galing ah.
Okay, let's hope that our lineup's not like that. Okay, so right now, wala pa naman nagpa-pop sa kanila. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Dun, dun. Let's see. Okay, and one more. All right. Okay, so Aguar, how old are you and anong job mo?
I'm 34 years old and I work in BPO industry.
Okay, so bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
I feel kuya vibes lang talaga.
Kuya vibes. Anything specific about him that gives you kuya vibes?
Yeah, just kuya vibes lang talaga.
Wala talaga. Narinig mo na ba yung dati?
Opo, naka-kuya zone na ako dati.
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang.
Pero ikaw ba kuya? Type mo siya?
Yeah, she's pretty. She's
Set ka na dun sa decision mo na yun?
Yes po.
Okay,
Thank you.
well thank you so much. Hello, Tet. Tet, how old are you and anong job mo?
34, I'm construction worker.
Okay. So bakit si Tet yung napili mo i-pop?
Feel ko sobrang mahihain siya.
Feel mo lang. Even just standing there, nobody's speaking.
Yung vibes lang.
Totoo ba yun?
Medyo po.
Hindi.
Hindi naman masyado. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Okay, medyo nga mahihain kahit na sinasabi niyang hindi. Okay, pero ikaw ba, Tet, type mo ba si Laika?
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman. Hindi siya pasok sa standard mo?
Pasok.
Pwede na, okay. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to get to know them.
What is your ideal partner?
Hello, Jom. Okay, so age mo na in your job.
31, currently in sales, San Miguel. Physically, my type, really. And I want someone with emotional intelligence ba? I want someone na ina-analyze muna yung situation bago magsalita or bago mag-act.
Joshua? Joshua talaga. Yung nilagay sa birth certificate mo ng parents mo, Joshua.
Very common na kasi yung Joshua. So, I use Joshua this time.
So ikaw nagbinyag sa sarili mo ng Joshua.
Today lang siya nabinyagan.
Okay. So Joshua, how old are you? And anong job mo?
31 po, working at e-commerce and marketing. At this point, parang na-meet ko naman lahat physically and then parang ang hinahanap ko na lang ngayon is someone na parang may gusto sa akin, ganyan. Kasi, di ba, parang na-try ko na lahat eh. Maganda, masama ugali, maganda ugali, and then if hindi ka type ng girl, it end up nothing din naman. So, let's start with gusto niya ako and then from there, I'll reciprocate everything.
Okay.
Yan, parang ganun.
So depende sa girl to.
Depende po sa kanya.
I'm Ivan, 32, third engineer assistant from Marine po. Simple lang naman po yung ano po, yung gusto ko sa isang partner po na family oriented po siya. Tas physically wala naman po akong ano eh. Pero mostly naman po sa mga guys, gusto naman talaga yung ano, may itsura naman. Pero for me, basta family oriented lang talaga po tsaka ano po, yung marunong pong makisama sa lahat.
Apple.
Ano yung age and job mo, Apple?
35, nagkakalat ng gulo sa social media. So, regards dun sa question ni Madam, sa physical, wala naman akong problema. Like, anything naman. Kasi ang physical kasi kumukupas yan pag tumanda na kayo. And when it comes to ano naman, sa ugali, which is yun talaga yung pinaka-main focus ko, gusto ko yung may respeto, marunong rumespeto doon sa hustle mo, marunong makisama doon sa mga things na gusto mong gawin, and yun lang. Tsaka syempre, masarap magluto para makapag-bonding tayo.
Okay. Ikaw din ba, nagluluto ka din?
Yes po, particularly mga Filipino foods po.
Jepoy, your age and your job.
31 and I'm a seafarer. Hinahanap ko sa babae is mabait. Mabait lang ako na yun sa akin. Oo, totoo.
Physical.
I don't look at physical, to be honest.
Skyforce? Ano to? Okay, is Skyforce your real name or what?
Yes, my real name is Justin Robert Yao. Skyforce, I'm a music artist. But my real job is I'm a doctor of medicine, general medicine. Yeah. So, I usually work at the emergency room, dialysis centers, and also outpatient department in our place in Subic. I'm 34. Ang gusto ko sa isang babae is usually the one who has dreams. Gusto ko yung may pangarap sa buhay. Gusto ko yung, especially, who loves her family, family-oriented, and also loves God. Basta importante is yung hindi rin ako inaaway. For my past experiences, lagi ako inaaway ng mga nagiging girlfriend ko kasi nga malapitin yung ibang mga babae sa akin. So, lagi sila nagsiselos and everything. And most of my friends are girls, so kaya yun lang, selos. And physically, basta hindi mataba. Yun lang.
Okay, very straightforward. Thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 3 balloons to pop.
Okay, 3. Oh, sorry. Ayaw.
Okay. 2 more. All right. Okay, and 1 more. So, bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
Hi, Joshua.
Diba? Ang saya. Oh.
Joshua.
Oh, ba't si Joshua?
Okay, sana. Kaya lang sabi mo kasi na-try mo na lahat.
Ooh.
Oo, sabi ko, huy, hindi ko pa na-try lahat. So parang very inexperienced siguro ako as compared to you. So yun lang naman, baka kulang yung experience ko pag naging tayo.
You think she's right about that?
Siguro hindi ko lang na-explain masyado yung sagot ko kanina. What I mean is na-try is when it comes to dating, kumbaga. Pero, ayun, wala naman tayong magagawa eh, pinap eh.
Pero nakailang girlfriends ka na?
Ano pa lang po, 3.
Okay. Does that change things for you? Na 3 pa lang yung naging girlfriends niya?
No.
Why?
No lang talaga.
No lang! Is there another reason
Feeling ko
outside of
kasi
that?
Tatlo yung naging girlfriend niya pero madami na siyang nakadate.
Yung mga ano ba yun? Situationships ba yun? Mga
Yes.
almost?
Date lang na like coffee date, ganyan. Parang hindi naman siya umabot sa exclusively dating. Parang getting to know, meet and greet, parang ganyan. Hindi naman siya umabot sa point na parang papasok na siya in a relationship.
Does that change things?
No.
Okay, why?
Kasi sabi niya rin, yung gusto ako, paano kita magugustuhan kaagad? I need to know you first for me to like you.
Paano mo ako magugustuhan kung pinap mo yung balon ko?
I'm gonna go. Got awkward over here. Oh, may sagot ka pa doon. Do you wanna give him
Galing
another
naman
chance? Are you set on your decision?
Sige, ang galing kasi ng comeback niya. Sige, balik natin yung...
Okay! Let's give Joshua another balloon. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang napiling ipop?
I think dun sa madami siyang friends na girls, hindi naman yan problema sa akin.
Okay.
At hindi rin naman ako selosa. But the thing is, I have a thing with strong boundaries. Just because you have a friend and it's with the opposite gender, I think you need to be transparent all the time with me na, uy, lalabas ako kasama siya, mga ganon. I think lang I will jump to assumptions na you were not that transparent with your past partners. That's why nagkaroon ng jealousy part or something like that. Kaya nagkaroon ng away-away.
I'm not sure. I don't know. Mahirap maging pogi minsan eh.
Did you ever fight about that before though? Na pinag-iisipan niya yung mga friends mo na girls, yung partner mo dati?
Some of them, yes. Some of them. Because I'm really close to my friends. Like, isang text lang nila, like, kita tayo, ganon, meet and everything. But pinapakilala ko naman yung mga friends ko sa kanya, so.
Lagi ka ba nagsasabi na parang, pupunta mo na ako with this girlfriend of mine or what?
Yeah. When, hindi naman laging siya lang kasama. Like, we have like other friends, like may mga guys din, so. So, hindi naman kami lang dalawa. Especially when I have a girlfriend, I make sure na hindi lang naman kaming dalawa. But the closeness of me and my friends are really tight.
And your response to that?
I think you love yourself very much and I think you'll be fine on your own.
Okay, so self-love na lang muna siya for
Yes.
now. And your response?
Actually, ikaw talaga gusto ko eh.
Ako ba? Or siya nakatingin?
Si Marion.
Ash! Nagsumbong sa kapatid. Anyway, let's just save that for later. I'm just here to host. I'm here to find connections for you guys. Ano lang ako dito? Props lang ako dito. Bakit siyang isa mo pang pinili, Pop?
Actually, I really, really like his style. Kita pa lang. Sa unang tingin pa lang. Pero, sabi niya, ang gusto niya lang is mabait. So, I have to jump to conclusions na I think he doesn't know what he really wants yet.
Is she right about that?
No. Because my past relationship is too much. Yeah, ugali kasi nung ex ko is mahirap i-handle. And I want my partner or soon to be partner to understand that I am working in this job to build my future. Then he doesn't understand that, so I want a person that understands me and mabait, maintindihan lahat. That's why mabait lang sinabi ko. Short but it has meaning.
Does that change things for you?
I think siguro, for me, communication is a big thing. And I feel like medyo hirap sa communication. So, I think mahirapan tayo dun. So, sorry.
That's okay.
Or type mo ba sana siya?
Of course, it's a beautiful. Yeah.
But you're set on that already?
Kaya type ko naman sana siya, yung communication lang.
Ay, nako. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Chef Boy. Okay. Well, right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So, please ask another question.
Ano ang plano mo sa buhay or anong pangarap mo and what are you doing to make it happen?
Yes, I'm currently in sales naman. So, actually now, sa livestocks, I want to go to livestocks and ayoko na actually mag-employed kasi mas gusto ko yung hawak yung oras ko. Then, doon ko nakikita galing kasi akong Batangas, share ko lang. Then, yun, doon ko nakikita na may market din. So, actually sa sales, so, yun, parang kita ko kung saan may pera din and saan ako mas makakagalaw ng mas magaan. Yun lang para sa akin.
So that's something you're actively pursuing.
Yes, yes.
Ang short-term goal ko muna is makamatch ka today. Yeah.
Okay, let's claim it.
Long-term goal, bumuo ng pangarap kasama si Laika. Yun. And then,
Just in case she asks later, ano yung specific na yun? What would that look like?
sa isang simbahan sa Tagaytay, kasama kayong lahat.
Wah! Invited sila lahat.
Invited sila lahat. Guys, tandaan nyo yung mga faces nyo. Invited kayo sa kasal namin sa Tagaytay. Though, to answer professionally, syempre, hindi ko naman mabibigay sa kanya yung kung wala akong goal sa sarili. So, let's start by working myself and then parang working my way up when it comes to getting a better job and then provide everything that she wants. Ganun.
All right, so all about her. Okay.
Apo, gagawin ko po siyang mundo ko.
Oh, no. Okay. Oh! Okay. Okay, over here. Anong answer mo sa question niya?
Kasi currently working naman po ako. Pwede naman kaming mag build together kung ano yung gusto niya. Or, siyempre, ano ba to? Ano lang po, business, if ever, or gusto niya, gusto ko kasing doon na sa ibang bansa maging stable na po. If ever kung gusto niya, doon din kami. Yun lang po.
May gina-goal ka ba na country in mind?
Hopefully po, most of my relatives po kasi nasa US and Australia po eh.
Siguro ako po is mapalawak pa yung connection ko doon sa ginagawa ko right now. And recently kasi nagkaka-start ko lang po mag-voice acting sa isang bagong bukas na gaming company. And I do really hope na dumami pa, like yung maging radio DJ, something like that, yung mag-dub sa mga Korean movies or even the Chinese mga nauuso ngayon, di ba? Dito sa
You wanna do a sample of that?
Eugene, ano bang gusto mong mangyari?
Eugene Krabs? Wait, what? Okay. Okay, go Spider. Kala ko SpongeBob eh. Okay.
Actually, I do a lot of impersonations din, but siguro more on that na lang later. So, yun lang naman din, impersonation and mabuild pa yung career ko as a content creator, magkalat pa ng gulo sa social media hanggang sa makita na lahat ng buong mundo. And yun lang, that's it.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, wag si Eugene. Si Eugene. Okay. All right. So, let's start. Ano yun?
Akala ko kasi 3, 2 lang pala.
Hala siya. Oh, so bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Tapusin.
Do you want me to say that words?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Tapusin!
Ayoko na.
Nahiya bigla. O, di ba goal mo magkalat? Ayun na yun. Nakuha mo na yung goal mo. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, anyway.
May pahabol ako. Ano yung best mong mimic ba yun? Or parang
Impersonation?
impersonation para masalba kita?
Not sure kung kilala mo to, pero
Merong isang babae na hindi pa nakikilala ang matatagpuan mamaya dito sa Choco.
Does that do anything for you? Or is that a turn on for you? Or
I appreciate that you have a talent, but the thing is, I'm looking for someone who is a little bit different from me. Yeah.
too similar for you?
Too similar. Yun.
But if not, type mo ba sana siya?
Oo naman. Yun.
Any comment?
wala naman. Wala na eh. Napatok na yung bagan ko eh.
Muna siya. Ikaw, type mo siya.
Yes, oo naman. Maganda siya, like yung beautiful eyes, like yung smile mo is sobrang ibang-iba, as in. So, good luck na lang sa tropa natin dyan out there. You know?
Pinaparinggan? Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, and you also popped his balloon. Ivan, hello. So, bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
I feel like ako ang magte-take the lead instead of you taking the lead. Kasi, yun nga, wala ka pang concrete plan. So, feeling ko as a woman, mapapagod ako.
Pero sa isang relationship, ano ka, ikaw naman yung nagli-lead or mas sumusunod ka dun sa partner mo?
Both ways naman po. In give and take naman po. Kasi pangit na naman kung sa kanya lang, tapos sa akin lang. Siyempre, dapat mutual understanding talaga po when it comes to relationship.
Okay, well, we have 2 balloons left, so... this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo to get to know you better. Okay, so I'll go over here.
Yung sa political issues ngayon, are you affected by that ba?
Of course, I'm very affected by it.
So-
Ano yung follow-up question?
Wow, thank you. So what are you doing to get your voice in politics?
See, I work in marketing. So, we have a tendency to make our profiles, public profiles, very aesthetic. But the thing is, I have a voice, so I use that to voice out my grievances with what's happening here in the country. And, yeah, kahit anong kulay man, I don't really represent anyone. I just want our country to do better. Hopefully in the future, even though sobrang hirap ngayon. Yun lang.
Okay ka done? Or may follow-up ka?
Okay na, pang Miss Universe.
Okay, pasado naman sa'yo. Okay, well, thank you so much. What's your question for our sexy
Hi,
single?
Joshua.
Hi, Laika. So,
Guys, nasa third wheel ako eh. Okay, go.
di ko alam yung tatanong ko kasi ina-expect ko mapapop agad yung balon ko eh, which is nangyari. So, binigyan niya long chance. So, my question is, ano ba? Mamaya na lang.
Okay, so...
Kung ikaw may tanong, yun, baka masagot ko. Kasi ako, parang perfect ka na kasi para sa akin eh. Hindi ko na nga, yung toothpick ko nilagay ko na sa bulsa ko. Nasa bulsa ko na. So, ayun.
Feeling ko dapat may tanungin ka sa akin. Mag-isip ka.
Ayusin mo.
Ayusin mo.
May asawa ka ba?
Siyempre, wow! O kaway sa asawa niya dyan nanonood. Another question. Galingan mo, please.
Yung seryoso.
Okay, sige. Kasi ako, I'm a family-oriented guy and I want to support my family as much as possible. I had an issue before na when it comes to dating, parang hindi nila trip yung idea na sinusuportahan ko yung family ko kasi gusto nila na parang sila lang yung ginaguide or sinusuportahan ko in the future. Are you fond of the idea na parang I supported my family and then I'll continue to support you as well?
Okay. I am okay with the idea. But the thing is, after nating ikasal, hihiwalay ba tayo sa bahay ng family mo?
Actually, yes. Hiwalay tayo kasi hindi naman din ako makikipag-asawa na hindi ako prepared. And I want to ensure the girl na before I leave my house, like, okay na ako sa kanila, okay na sila. Parang kaya na nila mabuhay para sa sarili nila. Parang bibigyan ko lang ng leeway si girl na kung mabibigyan niya ako ng time to have them prepared para sa life nila kasi meron din akong life na bubuhayin. Ayun sana.
Last question, hanggang kailan mo sila susuportahan?
Right now, they are on their feet naman. And then, since single naman ako, as much as possible, I want to provide whatever they want. Kasi parang isa lang yung parents natin eh. Hindi sila mapapalitan. And sa kanila tayo nanggaling. We have to pay back everything. And as long as ready na sila, actually sila pa nga yung nagsasabi sa akin na mag-asawa ka na, ganyan. Tanda ka na. Sabi ko, hindi. Parang walang deserving. At the end of the day, kung hindi ka gusto ni girl, walang mangyayari. So, it's up to her and I'll do my part. Pagka merong something, ganyan.
All right, let's hope for that something. Thank you so much. Okay, so since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose
Is it
one
okay
balloon to pop.
kung mag-follow up ako ng question with Jom?
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
All right, one follow-up question.
Okay, Jom.
Sure.
Pag naging tayo, tapos nun ilang taon na tayo, when will you pop the question?
Sorry.
Pag naging tayo, tapos boyfriend, girlfriend na tayo, how many years will it take for you to pop the question?
Siguro, regarding that, I'm ready to marry na rin naman. So, Pag nakilala ko yung ugali mo, yung kapag magkasama tayo sa isang bahay, doon ko mas malalaman kung dapat na ba. Dahil doon mo lang din makikita yung tunay na ugali pag magkasama na kayo sa isang bubong.
Okay.
Siguro sa years, so tinatanong mga years, no?
Yeah,
So, verify ko lang.
years.
Sa years, siguro maximum of 3 to 5 years siguro.
Sige, okay din.
Mm.
Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay.
Hirap.
So, I'm gonna ask you again. Please choose one balloon to pop. May ako tumingin.
Ang hirap. Joshua.
Just one naman. Okay, ready? Go.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, please join us here first. Dom, please join us over here. Okay, so bakit siyang napili mong ipop?
I think siguro nakulangan lang ako sa sagot. Na-appreciate ko yung part na importante sa kanya ang EQ kasi napaka-importante din sa akin ang EQ. Yun. Pero nakulangan lang talaga ako sa sagot.
Okay. Anong part doon sa sagot niya?
Well, sinagot naman niya yung tanong ko. Tapos in-explain niya. Pero parang walang nag-register sa utak ko. Yun.
Okay. Any response to what she said?
So you think parang may doubt ganon? Or hindi naman?
I think so. And at the part na 30s na tayo, parang mahirapan ata akong maghintay ng kalahating, like
3 to 5.
like 5 years for that.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Actually, express ko lang din. I like your genuine smile talaga.
Thank you.
Ganda ng mga ngiti mo. Nahuhulog kami lahat.
Pero set na tayo doon.
Yes.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Dom. Maybe next time. Okay.
Hi,
Well,
Joshua.
we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Hello. Okay. Wala nang final questions ha. Tatanungin ko na lang kayo. So, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na sure.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na sure.
Okay! Yaman ko suhan, bitch! Okay, please take each other's hand and go up into your happily ever after. You may now kiss the bride. Oh guys, invited daw tayong lahat. Hanapin niyo sa social media, Joshua. Pag kami hindi invited, nako. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi!
Hi.
Hello, Rose.
Yes.
Please stay
hi.
over here. Okay, so Rose, how old are you and anong job mo?
I'm 26. I'm head manager of engineering company.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
And outside of that, what do you like to do for fun?
I like traveling and I also do Pilates like
Okay.
every day. So I'm very active on that one. And I usually do tarot readings left and right sometimes on my,
okay.
on my, like, let's say, time when I'm bored and free.
Okay, do you also post like on TikTok, mga tarot reading ganon?
Actually, no, I'm too shy.
Okay, so private lang.
Yeah, but I'm
Okay.
trying. I'm gonna try maybe this year.
Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner, sa personality?
To be honest, I just want a decent man.
Okay.
I want someone who isn't selfish. And I also want someone who knows how to impress a woman. That's just what I want.
Sa ano naman, deal breakers. What are the deal breakers for you?
Someone who isn't really active on like supporting me in what I do. Because I'm more of a girl who plans really well.
Okay.
And I'm okay with spontaneous. Like, don't get me wrong.
Okay.
But if you plan it, so if I plan it and it's spontaneous, I will need to do my makeup, my hair. So I really want a man who knows how to plan. And then, if it's spontaneous, then you go plan it.
Well, right now, wala pa naman nagpa-pop sa... Okay, never mind. Okay, merong isang nag-pop sa ating lineup, so please join us over here.
My name is Justin Robert Yao. You can call me Skyforce. I'm a music artist and also a doctor. And I'm 34 years old.
So bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Ikaw talaga gusto.
Ang kulit nito, pakialis na nga! Right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. This is gonna keep happening per round anyway. 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Oh, okay. They're all my types.
Okay. Or,
Mm,
are you looking at their shoes?
yeah, I'm looking at their fit because I really like
okay.
a well-dressed man as much as... Sorry.
Okay. So, bakit si Tet yung pinili mo pop?
I just don't like the shirt.
The shirt. Ano ba shirt mo? Okay.
Yeah.
Any response to that?
I think he's very masculine, so...
That's not...
I mean, that's good for me,
Okay.
but not too masculine. Like, ganun yung...
So, gusto mo balance of feminine and masculine naman?
Yeah, I'm very dominant at work, so I want to be submissive to my man as much as possible.
Okay. Any response dun sa sinabi niya?
Okay lang. Tsaka, yung prefer ko rin kasi sa mga babae yung maliit.
Well, right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to get to know them better.
3 years ago, what was something in your mindset that changed you to who you are right now?
I'm 34 and I work in BPO industry. A lot of people has lack of self-awareness. So, intindihin natin yung mga tao ng mas malalim. Bakit sila ganun, bakit sila ganyan. Siguro dahil ganito, dahil ganyan. So, kaya dahil doon, lalo ako naging mas pasyensoso.
My name is Joe Marie, short for Jom, 31, currently in sales. Sa akin, experience, work life experience, yun yung naguhubog sa akin. Kumbaga, noong ko tinitingnan, nagiging observant ako. Habang tumatagal, natututo ako. Yun lang, ina-absorb ko lang yung mga bagay sa paligid ko.
I am Ivan, 32, third engineer assistant marine. Based po sa karakter lang po kasi. Nabago ko yung sarili ko sa mga tao sa paligid ko. As of, for me, na palagi po akong nasa ibang bansa. So, much better na kailangan talagang every person individually. Para at least ikaw mismo, mabuo mo yung sarili mo talaga.
April 35, mahilig kumanta sa CR. So, doon sa question mo, ma'am, before, mahilig akong humabol doon sa mga things na gusto kong ma-achieve. So, dumating kasi yung time na hinabol ko siya for so long and hindi ko talaga siya na-reach. So, nung nawala na ako ng pake, na like, sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko, nagagawin ko na lang yung mga bagay na gusto ko na magpapakasaya sa akin. So, bigla na naman siya dumating. So, ganun na lang yung mindset ko na, come what may. Instead na mafe-feel mo na, ay, eto na naman. Parang lagi mong mafe-feel na, surprise! Parang ganun lagi yung mangyayari. Something like that. So, it brings a lot of positivity doon sa side ko. At, syempre, pag dumating yon, I will gladly to do the job.
I'm Edwin Santillan, and I am a seafarer also. And 2 years ago, siguro, to be honest, I have a daughter. One daughter, then he's already 4 years old. When me and my partner broke up about after he turns 1, that was the turning point of my life.
Based on what you heard, I'd like you to choose 3 balloons to pop.
First is sa kanya because... Sorry. I'm pasensyoso.
Bakit si Aguar yung isang mong napili?
Actually, siya yung pinaka-least sa tatlong na because I like a very patient man.
Okay.
But it's just that I think patience should be like parang more of like something that we learn as we grow older. I want someone who's gonna push me, not tolerate me.
Do you think ganun yung mangyayari?
Siguro po.
Because
Okay, hindi mo naman tinulungan yung sarili mo. Ano ba? Okay.
Kasi parang mahirap po i-explain yung boundaries.
Yeah.
Minsan parang iniisip ng babae, parang wala ng boundaries yung lalaki kasi pasensyoso. Pero para sa akin, that's discipline.
for me, toleration is very different from love. So you can love someone and then be tolerating, pero konting-konti lang. Like when it's too much, there should be a boundary for it as well.
All right, do you have anything else to add?
Sana mahanap mo yung dawan mo dito.
Or type mo ba sana
I
siya?
appreciate you.
Opo, I think we can make a lot of children.
Do you have any response to that?
Papa Medusa tattoo na ako.
Parang, sige, thank you.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Mami, ano pa mangyari dito? Okay, so bakit siya yung isa mo pang napiling ipop?
Ang naalala ko lang sa kanya is he traveled a lot, which I'm very, very happy because I like to travel a lot. Like, ang ano ko lang talaga, sabi ko, wait, wala akong natandaan sa sinabi niya.
Do you wanna explain again?
Kasi po, sa base po sa work ko is, we are seafarers po.
Yeah.
So, mostly sa mga katrabaho namin is different foreign countries and different characters po. So, sa akin po is building up the self-character po ba. Kung makakahalubilo ka ng hindi mo kalahi, yun, kaya mo siyang i-balance, mag-adapt ka sa workplace po. So yun po yung naano ko po, na learn ko po.
Does that change anything for you now that you know?
You know, I think I'm too celosa for that one.
Oh, why? Kasi lagi siyang travel.
Yeah, I mean, in his case kasi, medyo feeling ko magiging celosa ako na, okay, what are you doing right now? Like, ganon. So, medyo...
Okay. Ganun ba usually relationships mo since you're always traveling?
Ang ano lang nila po, siguro sa base nila sa mga seafarer po is, yun nga, may mga iba't ibang mga babae daw. Hindi naman po yun totoo. Kasi nga po, sa ngayon po na panahon ngayon, stricto po ngayon yung mga port control po. May mga port control po kasi yan. Tapos may mga regulations po, may IMO po kami, lahat-lahat ng mga regulation. Katulad din sa sa mga regular regulations. And syempre po, meron din po kaming tawag nito, communication on board po. So, time to time, pwede naman mag-communication. Wala namang problema. Sa selosa type, wala po kayong maano dyan kasi nga, mostly pagdating sa ship, lang, on board lang, tapos sa bahay lang din. Tapos kung gusto gumala ng partner mo, hindi gala kayong dalawa hanggang magsawa kayo.
Okay. Pero set ka na doon sa decision mo.
Yeah.
Pero aside of that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah. I mean, almost all of them are really good looking. So I'm like,
Almost.
so that's why I'm very, very hesitant to pop their balloons, but I gotta do a choice. So
All right. Well, thank you so much.
thank you,
Okay,
Yvonne.
and lastly, we have Jepoy over here. So bakit siya yung isa mo pang piniling ipop?
To be honest, I'm not ready for a kid right now. That's and I want to be honest with Jepoy because I want to be transparent as much as possible, and that's where I am right now. I'm 26 and I'm okay with settling down. I just think I'm not ready for a kid yet because I'm still exploring Philippines. Like,
Okay.
I need to go out there pa.
All right. Any response to that?
That's okay. That's her own opinion. For me, the cat's out of the bag. I have a daughter, and I am proud of my daughter already.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
And of course, he has a work. He's pretty. And,
Thank you.
I think he will meet a lot of people because he's still young, to be honest.
Okay. Well, right now, never mind. Ano nangyari?
Na-realize ko lang kasi nung na-mention niya na selosa siya. So, nagdalawang isip ako. Then aside doon kasi yung mga achievement niya kasi, yun yung mga things na gusto kong ma-achieve before ako mag-settle down, like bahay, to build my career. And based kasi dito sa progress ko right now, medyo mahaba pa ang kailangan kong tahakin. Mga 300,000 kilometers pa, mga ganon. Pero lang naman, ina-enjoy ko lang kasi siya ngayon. And for you, ma'am, Rose, gusto ko lang sabihin, napakaganda mo, ma'am. And congratulations sa lahat ng achievement na natamo mo. Okay, at early age. And I think na hindi mo ako deserve. Yun lang.
But I'm curious about that. How do you feel na, kung nga sinasabi niya, mas marami ka nang na-achieve kaysa sa kanya? Are you open to dating a guy like that?
To be honest, I still am. Like, for me naman, it's a whole lot different if a guy is rich and a guy who is doing his best to keep up with you. Like, the effort and everything. I do understand that I already did a lot for my age. However, I really started young. So, it wasn't like, 18 to 26. It was 13 to 26.
Oh, wow.
So, I started very young and I'm very proud and happy to where I am right now.
Actually, na-intimidate ako sa kanya eh. Parang yun nga, na-mention niya na dom siya sa, sa work. Pero parang ang sarap niyang lambingin. Ang sarap niyang i-baby. Yung tipong, yan yung mga feeling na, paano ba? Yung masungit, mataray, and everything, like terror, pero pagka napalambot mo, sobrang worth it. Pero for me, siguro, hindi pa ako ready talaga doon sa ganun. So, yun lang naman. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung sarili ko for someone like you. Yun lang.
Totally understandable. Thank
All right.
you.
Well, thank you so much. All right. Well, we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Woo! Okay. So, right now, do you have anything to ask to our sexy single?
Yun, yung sa pagiging selosa mo, nilabanggit mo kanina. Can you give me some boundaries kung hanggang saan yung pagiging selosa mo and cite some example siguro?
I would say I'm not that selosa naman unless my gut tells me something is wrong. However, I would really appreciate if there's like good morning, like, hey, good afternoon, I hope you've eaten already. And for example, if you're busy, you can just text me like, hey, Rose, I'm quite busy today, but I'll get back to you at 6 p.m. once the shift is done.
Okay.
I mean, that won't take 15 seconds or like 30 seconds of your time. So that's what I mean by jealousy. Because if I get everything done by the book, a man will do anything if they really want a woman. And let's be honest, if a man really likes you, he will text you most of the time. I'm a busy woman too.
Right. Okay, you just want to know that, parang magte-text siya later after.
Yeah, I just really want assurance na parang very, very light lang. I mean,
Right.
that's bare minimum.
Okay. Any follow-up?
I want to pop.
Okay. So, John, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Regarding doon, hindi ko ilabas ko na yung pagiging Batanggenya ko. Nahirapan ako mag-English eh. Walang hamo.
Gusto ko yung accent lumabas eh. Yes! Be yourself! Para mahanap mo yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Okay, go.
Kaya nga, Tagalogin ko na rin. Actually, sa tingin ko, hindi ko kayang ibigay yung time na hihingin mo.
Kahit
Oo,
15
siguro.
seconds of your afternoon out of 24
Hindi ko kayang
hours?
maging consistent regarding that for me. Yes.
Oh, I see.
And actually, I'm very supportive naman. Kaya kong ibigay yung support na hihingin mo, mag-travel ka. Then, sa regarding dun sa pagta-travel mo nga din, I want someone who will be na, madaling makasama ba. Yun lang.
Pero kung di niya sinabi yun, type mo ba sana siya?
Oo, maganda si ma'am.
Thank you po.
Any response to what he said?
To be honest, it's really good na sinabi niya agad-agad sa akin na
Okay.
he can't deal with consistency. Because I really, really appreciate consistency so much. And consistency makes me makes my anxiety goes through the roof.
Right.
Yeah,
Makes
like
sense.
I want consistency always. So it's one of my deal breakers as well.
All right. Okay. Well, I guess hindi lang kayo match sa values niyo.
Yes, but he's a really good guy.
Yeah, but thank you so much. Unfortunately, we have no match for this round, but thank you for joining. Hope you can join again next time. Thank you, Joe. Thank you. Thank you. Likewise. And here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi. Hello, Diane. Okay, so Diane, how old are you and anong job mo?
I'm 35 and I'm admin officer.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Nag-hiking ako, ride camp, and free diving.
Oh, okay. Very active and outdoorsy.
Yes, and then pag nasa bahay naman ako, mahilig ako magluto.
Magluto. Okay, ano specialty mo?
Caldereta.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality?
Personality, loyal, committed, and yung makakasabay sa mga trip ko sa buhay.
So someone na adventurous din, outdoorsy din, ganun.
Yes.
Okay. Ano namang physical traits?
Siguro yung malinis lang sa katawan.
Okay. Yan lang.
Yan lang.
Okay. Deal breakers?
Yung nag-yossi.
Oh, so no to smokers. Mga vape. Okay.
Okay lang sa vape.
Okay. Well, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Again, I'm Justin Robert Yao, Skyforce, 34 years old. Yun lang, kasi sinabi niya kasi ang specialty niya, caldereta. Ang gusto ko kasi sana specialty niya kare-kare. Kasi yun yung favorite kong pagkain eh.
Kayang-kaya ko din yun eh.
Kayang-kaya niya. Ayun. Hindi. Tsaka ikaw kasi talaga type ko eh.
Thank you so much. So, okay. Please join us over here.
Pati 34 installer. Gaya po nang sinabi niya, yung nag-UC po kasi ako eh.
And deal breaker talaga yun para sa'yo. Exception siya, hindi. Hindi pa rin. Okay, pero type mo pa sana siya.
Hindi.
Bakit naman?
Mahilig po kasi ako sa mga maliliit na babae, di ba? Sabi ko kanina. Yun.
Any response to that?
Okay lang naman po.
Okay, pero ikaw, type mo siya?
Tropa.
Tropa. Okay, bakit tropa vibes?
Yun lang nafe-feel ko.
Na-feel mo lang? Okay. Alright, well, thank you so much. Okay, well, right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So, ngayon magtanong ka ng isang question sa kanila.
How do you handle disagreement with your partners? Kayo ba yung parang nag-walk out or gusto niyo po munang maglaylo muna, makapag-isip? Or gusto niyo kayo yung unang kakausapin?
Aguirre, I'm 34 years old and I work in BPO industry. Parang bagyo yan eh. Hindi mo pwedeng biglain. Kailangan paupain mo muna yung emotion mo bago ka mag-react. Kasi kaming mga lalaki talaga logical kami sumagot eh. Hindi kami nagbe-base sa emotion namin. So ayaw rin namin na lumaki pa yung gulo.
Okay ka dun?
So, papatulugin niyo muna. Parang kinabukasan niyo para replyan.
Hindi naman. Siguro yung emotion naman kasi mabilis lang yun eh. Parang magkape ka lang saglit. Di ba sa trabaho, pag nainis ka na, coffee break ka lang, pagbalik mo, okay ka na ulit. Parang ganun lang.
My name is Jom, 31, currently in sales. Communication talaga ay yung susi sa mahabang relasyon. Tingin ka naman sa akin, ma'am. Yan. Para sa akin kasi doon ka makapag-build ng trust kung nababanggit mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mo sabihin. So, sinabi nga ni Kuya, kailangan mo nang pahupain pero hindi ganun katagal, hindi ganun kabilis. Kailangan marunong ka rin makiramdam.
Hello, Ivan, 32 years old. Third year assistant engineer marine. Sa question nyo naman po, nasagot naman na siguro lahat. Mostly talaga po sa talaga, yung communication talaga yun. As long as na pwede na kayo mag-communicate, yun na. Para maging stable na po lahat.
April 35, content creator, host, singer, at marami pang iba. So, sa question po ni Madam, mas gusto ko kasi na pinapahupa muna. Especially kapag sobrang taas na ng emotions. Kasi, ako kasi yung klase ng tao, pagka medyo nakakaramdam na ako ng init, tumatahimik ako. Pero pag yung partner ko, for example, hindi pa rin tumigil sa kakatalak, ginagamitan ko na ng kakaibang technique.
Ano yun?
Nye.
Wow! Napaka-mature! Ano pa?
Hindi kasi lang, para to lighten up the mood lang din. Kasi pagka masyado kasing seryoso at sinabayan mo yung partner mo doon sa outburst o emotional outburst niya, wala, magkakaroon kayo ng World War III doon sa bahay ninyo at baka kung ano-ano pa mga gamit na lumipad doon, di ba? So, yun lang.
Hindi ba siya magalit lalo? Hindi ba siya magalit lalo?
Well, yun naman ang isa sa mga plano ko. Pipikunin ko tapos lalambingin naman.
Sige, good luck na lang.
Hi, I'm Edwin and Jeffrey for my nickname and 31 years old. And I'm a seafarer also. Pag nag-away kami dalawa dati, in my previous partner, hindi ako umiimik eh. I just walk away if it's too much for me to handle.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose... Never mind. Let's find out kung bakit siya nag-pop. Okay, so ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Siguro hindi lang sa preference ko. Yun lang.
Like in what way? Sa personality? May sabi ba siya? Or sa physical?
Siguro physical lang. Yun lang.
Okay. Bakit ano bang sa preference mo na hindi pasok siya?
I want someone na medyo slimmer lang din kasi medyo active din ako. And yun lang siguro.
Okay. Any response to what he said?
Okay lang, active din naman ako eh.
Kaya nga, di ba nga siya yung nag-hiking and all?
Nag-hiking ako, nakapag-Mount Apo na ako ng 2 beses.
Does that change anything for you?
Ano, I'm good.
Pero okay lang.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang. Okay lang.
Bakit naman?
Medyo parang 31 ka, di ba? Yun, medyo mas bata, 35.
Gusto mo mas, ano?
Kahit konti lang sana yung gap.
Okay. Alright. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ay! Okay. Napatingin siya. Oh! Hoy! Bakit? Di ka man lang nagpaiwan. O ba't ka bigla nag-pop?
Nakita ko po kasi yung tattoo niya sa likod.
Ay.
So, wala naman akong problema sa may tattoo. I'm not against. Maliban na lang sa partner. Gusto ko kasi yung partner ko, plain.
Skin?
Plain.
Plain skin, ganun ano?
Unless yung mga inevitable, like, kung may balat talaga siya, hindi may balat talaga siya. Pero yung tattoo kasi controllable siya.
Do you have any response to that?
Okay lang. Kasi yung tattoo ko naman sa likod, sa Buskalan kasi to. Kay Apo Wang. So,
Nice.
ilang beses na ako nakapunta doon. So, sayang naman yung punta ko. So, part of my adventure din kasi, yung mga tattoo.
Pero ko ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi din.
Bakit naman?
Parang tropa vibes.
Oh, bakit? Ba't naman tropa? Bakit?
Wala.
Hindi mo siya nakikitang, like, you'll go on a date? Ganon?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. Wala lang?
Wala.
Okay. Alright. Well, thank you so much. Ano nangyari? Ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Preference ko lang po talaga is yung medyo bata po sa akin. Yan lang po.
Okay. Any response to what he said?
Same din. Kasi 31 ka, no? 32.
So, ganun din yung reasoning mo. Pero kung hindi sa age niya, type mo ba sana siya?
Medyo pa.
Oh. Okay. Ikaw?
Okay lang po si ma'am.
Pero bakit ma'am?
Minam na.
Magalang lang po.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Sa akin po kasi nung narinig ko na umaakit siya ng bundok. So, ako kasi mahilig lang ako sa loob ng bahay. Kasi doing content creation stuff and hanggang, siguro ang pinakamalayo ko lang na kayang puntahan is MOA. Ganun.
Okay.
De, pero nakapag-Baguio naman ako, so naka-test naman ako na sobrang taas doon and hindi ko kinaya, gumulong na lang ako pababa. And ayun lang, yun lang naman. And feel ko rin kay Madam kasi is parang tropa vibes kasi. So yan, yun lang naman. Kasama mo, Besh?
Any response sa sinabi niya?
Okay lang naman po. Pero pag sa bahay kasi, ang ginagawa ko ay magluto. Then, nag-games din kasi ako. Online games. Blood Strike or Call of Duty.
Okay. Does that change anything for you?
No, I set for that. Pwede gawin natin, magpalit tayo ng ulam. So,
Marunong ka din magluto.
nagluluto ako ng adobo, magbibenta
Sama mo
ako
ako sa content mo.
Oh, sige, walang problema. Iaalay kita.
Okay, buti naman nagkasundo kayo. Thank you so much. Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
For me, yung maraming factor is the vibe is not giving, and then
Ba't naman the vibe is not giving?
hindi pa naman yan talaga yung reason. Para sa akin talaga yung hiking, and he's very active as his age. For me, because of my work, I am a homebody. Gusto ko sa bahay lang eh.
Any response? Pasok ba siya sa, preference?
Kasi seaman ka, no? Ang hirap kasi ng LDR din.
Oh, so no to LDR for you. Okay, well, it seems like we have no match for this round, but thank you so much for joining. Hope you can join again next time. Thank you. Thank you. All right, here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello. Hello. Your name is Julia?
Yes.
Hi, Julia. So, how old are you and anong job mo?
I am 35 years old
Okay.
and I'm working in the crypto industry.
All right, crypto. Oh. Okay. All right. More on that later. Okay. So outside of your job, what do you like to do for fun?
I'm into my cats.
Your cats? How many cats do you have?
I have two.
Two.
And also gardening.
Okay. Gardening.
Cooking.
Oh, okay. So very homebody.
Yes.
Okay. Anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Responsible. Consistent.
Right.
Matalino.
Okay.
And pwede siyang jack of all trades, master of none. Basta malawak yung yung knowledge
and skills. Okay. Physical, may hinahanap ka ba?
Physical, wala naman.
Okay. Deal breakers, do you have any?
Siguro hindi responsible.
Okay, yun lang. Just opposite of what you said earlier. Yeah, we do have one pop balloon over here, so please join us on stage.
Hi, I'm Ivan, 32, third engineer assistant marine. Nagpa po ako kasi about sa crypto po kasi. Kasi hindi po kasi solid na yan po income for me. Kailangan ko po kasi na yung yung meron talagang positive na output talaga sa in regards to financial. Kaya nagpa-promote.
Do you agree with what he's saying sa crypto?
Yes, because it's a volatile market. So, crypto now is really hindi maganda yung market ngayon. Pero it's okay.
Okay.
But we're still thriving though. Our company is still thriving.
Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Please join us over here. Oh! Ano ba yan? Ito lagi nahuhuli. Huwag ka na gumaya. Okay. All right, let's start with you since you popped first. Okay.
Yes, my name is Justin Robert Yao. You can call me Skyforce. I'm a music artist. I'm 34 years old. And then I popped my balloon because she said she's into cats. So I have allergies to cats. So pag may pusa, talagang bahing ako ng bahing and then minsan nagkaka-rashes
I
ako.
have air purifier at home though. I have 3 inside our condo. So, and we do regularly vacuum the house. And I don't think it wouldn't be a problem. It would be a problem. So,
Tapos ano din po kasi sa crypto din nalugi yung Bitcoin ko kaya medyo galit ako sa mga.
I'm sorry, I'm working within the industry, but I'm not a trader.
Oh yeah, I know. I understand that. And also, I'm really trying to find my Josa here. Like Marion, she's like a Josa.
So, type mo ba sana siya? Type mo ba sana siya?
He's cute.
Oh, okay. Set ka na sa decision mo.
Yes.
Thank you. Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Sabi niya kasi mahilig siya sa pusa. So, ako kasi against ako sa pusa. May parang psychology kasi sa babae na mahilig sa pusa.
Ano?
Yung parang pusa rin sila na yung attitude na atab din nila. Parang same.
I'm sorry, I have to defend myself. Hindi lang ako into cats, but I also have dogs before.
Okay.
Pagong. Ako.
Pagong? Okay. So, dun sa 3 kinds of pets na yun, ano yung pinakamalapit sa personality mo, you think?
Actually, dog.
Dog?
Oo, pero right now kasi namatay yung mga dogs ko.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
So, pusa.
So, cat ka na ngayon?
Yes.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop?
Pwede naman po.
Set ka na dun? Dahil lang dun?
Yun lang po talaga. Pero hindi po sa against sa mga mga cat lover. Siguro sa partner lang din.
My name is Jom, 31. I'm in sales pala. Di ba nabanggit mo na may pusa ka?
Oo.
Hindi dahil dun.
O bakit?
Siguro, yun lang, hindi din sa preference siguro. Not my type siguro. Yun lang sa akin.
Just like physically, ganon?
Yes.
Okay.
How about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
Okay lang din po.
Kinilig. Set ka na dun?
I'm Tit po, 34, and yun, sa pusa din po.
I'm sorry.
Wala, nagagayan lang kayo sa pusa, Ano man sa pusa?
May hika. Kaya pag may pusa, parang hindi talaga.
Sorry, alam mo ba may hika ako, tsaka yung daughter ko. So,
okay.
I invested on air purifier, stuff that, prevent the
So, love mo lang
asthma
talaga
attack.
yung cat, pero meron ka ding allergy sa cat.
Yes.
Okay. Pero manage mo naman.
Yes, of
Baka naman
course.
okay ngayon. So,
Yes.
Does that change your mind?
It's okay.
So, physical preference din, ganun. Okay.
Sa akin kasi, nung narinig ko kasi yung crypto, parang bumalik lahat ng past
Oh my.
traumas ko before.
I'm sorry.
Ano ba nangyari?
Nalugi. Nalugi pero okay naman. Then aside doon kasi yung sa pagiging responsible. Hindi naman ako super duper irresponsible. Makakalimutin lang. Kasi may one time kasi na nakalimutan ko magbayad ng kuryente. So 2 araw akong walang kuryente sa bahay. So yun lang naman.
Any response to that? Big thing sa'yo yung responsibility, right?
Yeah, but
okay ka dun?
Okay naman po, pero kasi I manage my calendar. So within the day, I list all of my to-dos, make sure all of those are
So feeling mo okay naman pag nag-get together kayo kasi ikaw na magko-cover doon?
Yes, pwede naman po.
Oh, okay. Does that change your mind?
I mean, relationship is a team, di ba?
Yeah. Okay. Does that change your mind?
I'll think about it after the show.
Pero type mo ba sana siya outside of that?
She's cute. Maganda siya and very presentable. Okay siya.
So I think we still have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Woohoo!
I'm Edwin Santillan and Jeffrey for short. For short. Then I have a daughter also. 4 years old. Age is 31. I'm 31 and
Okay.
seafarer, seaman. And medyo sa crypto, medyo tagilid ako dun eh. Though you're cute.
Thank you po.
And cat, a little bit. Tagilid ako sa cat. Pero I don't know. I want some answering question pa. Gusto ko pa hindi naman natin i-judge yung tao.
Okay, so why don't you ask him a question to get to know him better?
Of course. Anong hobbies mo?
Okay.
Hobbies? Basketball. I jog. Then, ayun lang. Tulog. Matulog.
Yes. Actually, my dad is a seafarer before. So, I understand.
Okay.
It's a rough job. So, yun
Pero
po.
okay naman sa'yo to date a seafarer?
Yes po.
Okay. How about from you? May question ka para sa kanya?
Ayun nga. About time. Kasi, for me, I'm focused on my daughter. Focus talaga ako sa anak ko. Ikaw, gaano mo ka... may anak ka na ba? Or something?
Actually, that's my next question. If you are ready for a package deal.
Buy one, take one? Ganon?
Okay naman para sa akin. But, yung sa crypto talaga, sa job talaga. I want a girl na yung may trabaho din. Siyempre, both of us have a job.
I'm sorry, nag-work po ako. Hindi po ako trader.
Could you explain more about your job, just so he understands better?
Of course. I'm working in the crypto industry, financial back end, so the trades and all.
Okay.
I handle those stuff, and yun po. Hindi po
So
ako
it's like a
nagtitrade.
stable income.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Okay.
Anong trabaho niya ulit? Hindi ko na-gets.
Sa financial part ng crypto na company, so
yes
hindi siya
po.
mismo yung nagtitrade.
Yes. Hindi po ako nagtitrade.
Yeah, so meron siyang stable income. Ganon.
Yes.
Company, right?
I have a stable income and also I have a small business aside from that.
What's your small
Jack of all
business?
trades din po ako.
What's your small business?
It's a buy and sell. I do pa sa buys.
Okay.
That. Also, I cook and sell inside our community.
Does that change anything for you?
A little bit. Sa job talaga eh. Then, 31 ako. 31. I just turned 31. So, I'm a little bit younger than you. So, sa job talaga, hindi talaga. Can I talk?
All right, yeah, you can pop.
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so
Thank you.
sa job talaga, hindi ka makalook past that.
Yes, I want kasi ako, tatrabaho din naman ako. I want yung stable talaga din. Trabaho. Alam ko naman nag-earn din. But crypto, the name crypto, marami kasi kaming trauma. Maraming
Oh,
trauma.
I'm sorry.
So just anything to do with crypto, it's a no for you.
Yeah, it's...
Yes.
So sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
All right, baka hindi lang talaga match. So thank you so much. Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
All right, here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello. So your name is Chloe.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Chloe.
Hi, Chloe. So how old are you and anong job mo?
I'm 36 years old, call center agent / dancer.
Oh, nice. Sample? De joke. Okay. Anong hobbies mo or what you like to do for fun?
Ayun nga, dancer po.
Oh,
nagda-dance
okay.
po.
Like for fun, you just like dancing din? Same as your job?
Sa company, meron kaming grupo.
Okay.
And then outside, nag-a-attend ako ng mga dance class.
So talagang dance yung life mo? Okay, so wala kang ibang hobbies pa outside of that?
Running din.
Running. Okay, so running and dancing. Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Actually, kahit na magsabi ako ng ideal partner ko, pag tinamaan kasi ako, mawawala yun.
Okay. So, nagsasettle ka kahit na wala yun sa checklist mo, parang ganun?
Oo.
Okay. So, wala, even sa physical?
Conventionally attractive ako, so...
Okay. So, yun lang. Okay. Deal breakers for you, meron ba?
Non-negotiable sa akin yung may anak. Single dad.
Okay. Tinulungan niya na. Okay. Alright. Well, okay. Well, right now, merong isang... Ikaw din ba nag-pop? Okay. May dalawang nag-pop ng balloon. So, let's start over here.
I'm Ted po, 34 and single dad.
And bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi single, po.
Yun lang. So talagang deal breaker for you. Yun.
Kasi
Okay.
big responsibility yung may anak.
Okay. But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
No po.
Oh, okay. Ba't naman?
Feeling ko sa vibes, parang
Hindi mo lang feel yung vibe niya. Okay. Ikaw
parang
ba?
masyado siyang tahimik.
Totoo ba yun? Tahimik ka daw? Ano, tropa vibe din ba siya for you or...
Opo, tropa vibe. Parang,
Bakit napaka-nonchalant itong dalawa? Kayo yata bagay eh. Pareho kayo parang, wala, basta. Basta hindi kayo match. O, sige na. O, thank you so much.
Okay lang.
Okay, and we also have a pop balloon over here.
Edwin Santillan, Jepay nickname, 31. I have one daughter already, 4 years old. Then, deal breaker is one daughter. My daughter is my priority, so I'm so sorry. And thank you.
Is he an exception or talagang no for you kapag may daughter na?
No po talaga. Pero I have nothing against naman sa mga single.
Preference lang when dating someone. Okay. How about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
Of course, he's beautiful. He's a attractive woman, to be honest.
Thank you.
Hindi lang siguro match, but thank you so much. Okay, well right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. All right, so please ask them a question to help get to know them better.
Okay. So my question is, what's something you don't tolerate in relationship?
My name is Aguirre, 34 years old, and I work in BPO industry, same like you. Deal breaker ko talaga yung disrespect. Kasi nakakabawa siya ng pagkalalaki.
My name is Jom, 31. I'm in sales po. Para sa akin, yung respeto mo din dun sa nakapaligid sa'yo. Then, mas gusto ko yung marunong makisama and nag-a-adjust sa paligid.
Hello, I'm Ivan, 32, third assistant engineer, Marine. Ang sa akin lang naman is yung sa character din po. Yung communication, tapos disrespect din po. Isa rin yan, number 1 po talaga, na-tolerant po talaga sa akin yan. Tapos yung ano rin po, yung magiging manghuhula po kami sa inyo. Ayoko nung ganun po eh. Mas gusto ko po yung communication talaga. Kung gusto mo yung kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, dapat sabihin mo na wag na yung dami mo pang etos.
April 35, tigabalot na lumpia. Sa akin naman yung bakit? yung po, bali yung deal breaker ko. Tama? Siguro sa akin yung hindi marunong rumespeto as in. Tsaka ayoko rin nung masyadong matalak, yung kala mo machine gun yung bunganga, parang ganon. May mga times naman na kine-carry ko naman, pero yun nga, like I said earlier, kapag napikon ako or nainis ako, nye na lang ang sinasagot ko. So, aside doon is yung tipong hindi marunong mag-update. Whenever na, halimbawa, lumabas ka, tapos, nasan ka? Kumusta ka? Kumain ka na ba? Uminom ka na ba ng tubig? Uminom ka na ba ng gamot? Mga ganon. Hindi marunong mag-update. So, yun lang naman ang isa sa mga deal breakers ko.
Yes, my name is Justin Robert Yao. You can call me Skyforce. I'm a music artist. And then ang ayoko lang siguro is yung nag-smoke.
All right, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
2 balloons. Okay. Sorry.
Oh. Actually, make that 3.
Oh, 3.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, so bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Yung sa sinabi niyang respect. Sorry.
Okay. Bakit? Ano man sa respect? Disrespectful ka ba?
No naman. Hindi naman. Kasi sinabi niya kasi yung sa BPO. Anong klaseng disrespectful ba yung...
Yung halimbawa
Baka sa work yung
halimbawa
sinasabi.
yung sa messenger.
Sa
Yung pati yung convo namin ng parents ko, babasahin mo. That's
No.
disrespect.
Hindi ako...
Sa no.
Hindi ka naman ganon?
Never po. Never ako nag-check ng phone ng partner ko.
Okay. Pero set ka na ba na siya yung ipapop mo? Type mo ba sana siya outside of that?
No po.
Okay, why?
Kasi di ba sinabi ko, conventionally attractive ako.
Okay. So for you, hindi siya conventionally attractive? Oh, do you have any response to that?
Somehow.
Okay lang. Kasi sometimes women are good in making bad decisions.
So you think this is a bad decision?
Yeah, mahilig pa naman ako sa dancer.
Oh. Ano, set na tayo doon? Set na? Okay, well, thank you so much. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang napili?
Physical po.
Okay.
I mean, hindi ka pangit. Pose ka. Hindi ka lang parang attractive sa...
Hindi lang sa personal preference na kung ano yung attractive for you. Okay, do you have any response to that?
Wala naman ako problema po doon.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang po.
Okay, ba't naman sakto lang?
Kasi all the girls naman po, lahat dapat likable din sila. Kailan naman po sa akin.
Okay, so bakit siyang isa mo pang napiling i-pop?
Uy, yung sinabi niya kanina na ano, yung nagger.
Bakit? Ano ba? Nagger ka ba?
Hindi naman ako nagger. Tapos yung sa pag-update, hindi kasi ako yung tao na ma-update sa partner.
Okay.
Especially kapag yung, kunwari, after work ko, may mga practice kami sa sayaw. So, hindi kami most of the time
Nakahawak sa phone. Okay, so feeling mo makakulangan.
Pero ako kasi yung partner na yung mag-update like, mag-update ako na kung sino yung kasama ko, ano yung ginagawa ko yun.
Okay.
I'm good. Sa ganun ako. Pero yung like parang
Mayat-maya.
laging mayat-maya gusto na update.
Okay.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung humihinga ka pa, parang ganun. Kung buhay ka pa, ganun pa. Ganun lang naman. Kasi may mga recent past na experiences kasi ako na 4 hours bago mag-reply, 5 hours, mga ganun. So ako syempre, nag-wonder ko kung anong ginagawa mo. Ganun lang naman. Kahit simpleng hi lang or kahit scene lang, malaman ko lang na nandito ka pa sa mundong ibabaw. Yun lang.
Pero yung sinabi niya na nagsasabi ka naman kung sino kasama mo and kung anong ginagawa mo, does that change things for you or?
Wala na, tampo na ako. Tinap na eh.
So set na tayo sa decision na yon. Ayaw mo din ibalik yung balloon niya na. Okay, alright.
Ayaw niya sa nagger eh.
Ayaw sa nagger and sabi mo hindi ka nagger.
Hindi nga ako nagger, pero yung sinabi niya na ano,
Yung
nagger,
oh,
hindi naman ako ganun.
hindi naman niya sinasabing ikaw yung gano'n.
In the long run, makitaan mo ko ng ganong trait.
Oh, hindi
Kasi
naman ako...
hindi niyo pinapakita sa umpisa yung niya personality, yung behavior niya.
Yeah. Pero ako, kung ano yung nakikita nyo, ganun na ako.
Okay.
Depende.
Alright, I guess it's just not a match. But thank you so much. So, since 2 balloons left na lang tayo, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them get to know you better. Okay.
Ano yung pinaka-best and unforgettable effort na nagawa mo sa previous na relasyon mo?
Oh, okay. Hindi kasi ako lover girl eh. Pero pag tinamaan ako, yung effort talaga is sobrang 100%. Pag birthday ng partner ko, talaga mag-effort ako na yung i-surprise siya.
Bongga?
Yung ganyan.
Okay. So, more of acts of service ka, ganun? Okay. Any follow-up?
So, yun yung love language mo?
Yes.
Ito express din. Okay.
Kapag ikay naging isang halaman, if you were a plant, what and why?
Siguro cactus. Kaya ko mabuhay kahit walang lalaki.
Okay, so since wala nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Oh my God.
Oh. Okay, please join us over here. Okay, so ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Gusto ko lang talaga maging totally honest. Ikaw talaga gusto ko.
I think we covered that. Thank you so much.
Kasumali dito.
I know. Okay. So, since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. Okay, so before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
Wala pa.
Wala naman. Okay, over here. May final question ka pa ba for her?
Gaano katagal ka na sa BPO and how long... gaano mo pa iniisip na magtatagal ka sa ganyan industry?
Gusto ko i-try yung ibang work kaso parang masyado na akong comfortable sa BPO.
Any follow-up?
Wala na, yun lang.
Alright, so kung wala na kayong final questions, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sorry, no po.
No. Okay, please pop his balloon. Okay, so ano nangyari? Bakit ka bigla nag-pop? Ano yun? May ito! May pasilip pa eh. Oh, bakit?
Parang mas matangkad ako sa kaya.
Mas matangkad dahil sa height?
Oo,
Sino mga magtabi nga kayo? Guys, bagay ba? Bagay hindi. Di ba bagay? Pinili. Oh, ano?
Saka parang mas kaya ko siyang buhatin kesa yung siya yung
Sige
bubuhat
nga,
sa-
buhatin mo nga. Sample! Sample!
That showdown.
So dahil doon, do you have any response to that? Nag-agree ka pa sa kanya?
Parang kaya niya ako siguro.
Ayaw mo na gano'n. Pero siya, type mo ba sana siya?
Yes, actually, yes.
Sure ka na doon? Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining. And that has been our show. Thank you so much to the Q Studios for having us in your wonderful space, and thank you to their team as well. Make sure to go follow their socials. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusuan or Laruan!